One of my favorite things to bring on a cruise is a stainless steel cup, but they're hard to clean in a bathroom, especially when you fall asleep without drinking all of your strawberry daiquiri. So, I ordered this baby brush cleaner that had a silicone brush and a silicone straw and a little thing to hold the soap. I thought it was cute. I left the case that it comes with at home and just put it in a Dollar Tree travel toothbrush case. It worked really well. And my drinks didn't taste like strawberry daiquiri for the rest of the day. I like bringing stainless steel cups for two reasons. One, it keeps your drinks cold, but two, they don't have straws on the boat at all, so you either need to bring your own straws, bring a reusable straw, or bring a cup that has a straw. Plus, the cups they have are like kid size, so you have to get like 2 or 3 of them to really get 16 ounces. You see all the stuff that came out of that straw? Gross. So, loved it, 10 out of 10 recommend. Definitely check out. You can find the link in my Amazon storefront.